Welcome to Dr. V's channel, where we empower entrepreneurs to take their businesses to the next level. Today, we're diving into the world of business credit. We'll walk you through how to build and obtain business credit, list the key business credit bureaus, and provide tips on achieving a high Paydex score.
Business credit is the ability of a business to qualify for financing. It's based on the business's financial history and creditworthiness, separate from the owner's personal credit. First, let's talk about the major business credit bureaus. These are the organizations that collect and maintain business credit information. Dun Bradstreet, D&B. They provide the Paydex score, which ranges from 0 to 100, with 80 and above being a good score. Experian Business. They offer the IntelliScore Plus, which ranges from 1 to 100, with higher scores indicating lower risk. Equifax Business. They provide the Business Credit Risk Score, which ranges from 101 to 992. Small Business Financial Exchange, SBFE, a nonprofit entity that gathers and distributes business credit data. Now let's go through the steps to build and obtain business credit. Step 1. Establish your business legally. Register your business entity, LLC, corporation, etc. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. Open a business bank account. Step 2. Get listed with the credit bureaus. Register for a DUNS number with Dun Bradstreet. Ensure your business is listed with Experian and Equifax. Step 3. Apply for business credit. Start with vendor credit, like Net 30 or Net 60 accounts. Examples of vendors that report to D&B include Crown Office Supplies, Uline, Quill, and Granger. Step 4. Use credit wisely. Make purchases and pay invoices a week before they're due, and keep your credit utilization low. One of the key scores you'll want to focus on is the Dun Bradstreet Paydex score. To achieve an 80 Paydex score, you need to ensure you pay your invoices on time or earlier. Here are some companies that can help you establish a high Paydex score. Uline offers Net 30 terms and reports to D&B. Quill provides office supplies with Net 30 terms and reports to D&B. Granger supplies industrial products with Net 30 terms and reports to D&B. Crown Office Supplies provides office supplies with Net 30 terms and reports to D&B, obtaining a minimum of 6 reporting accounts. Order products with a minimum amount from each vendor totaling $70 to $100. Repeat this process for a minimum 90 days, paying the bill 7 days in advance. If the steps are followed, you would achieve an 80 Paydex score in 120 days or less. Understanding Net 30 and Net 60 accounts is crucial. These terms indicate that the invoice is due in 30 or 60 days, respectively. Establishing Net 30 and Net 60 accounts with vendors who report to credit bureaus will help build your business credit quickly. Let's recap the steps to building business credit. Establish your business legally. Get listed with the credit bureaus. Apply for business credit with vendors like Crown Office Supplies, Uline, Quill, and Granger. Use your credit wisely and make payments on time. Building business credit takes time and discipline, but it's worth the effort. With a strong business credit profile, you'll have better access to financing and more favorable terms. Remember, all this information is for educational purposes only. Always consult with a financial advisor for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.